Okay, I'm happy. So 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, pull. 0.900.
Solving in 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah.
Did it.
Recording.
Two, 1.
We're trying to build robots that learn a little bit like humans do.
by trial and error. What we've done under techniques in robotics haven't been able to scale to that complexity that we see in a robotic hand. Humans have evolved to be able to manipulate and operate our hands. So there's a huge amount of learning that's happened through evolution to get us to this point as a species. And the robot has to learn all of this from scratch. Instead of trying to write very dedicated algorithms to operate such a hand, we took a different approach where we create thousands of different simulated environments and learn to do the task in all of those, and hopefully a robotic hand will be able to do it in the real world as well. This means like thousands of years of experience that this neural network has had in simulation. Every time the algorithm has gotten good at the task, we make the task harder. That's really crucial because it needs exposure to really complicated environments in order to eventually be robust to the real world. You put a rubber glove on the hand and it can still carry out the task. This ability to generalize to new environments feels like a very core piece of intelligence. It really changes the way we think about training general-purpose robots.
Many people love challenging the cube. However, 99% of them become impatient long before completing it. Voila! X-Mars Cube. X-Mars has 6 faces, each of which has 9 colored panels and rotates independently. To solve the puzzle, you must turn each face to have only one color. Sounds familiar to Cube, though I am sure there must be something else. First, X-Mars has a learning mode for newbies. By rotating autonomously, it demonstrates how to solve the cubes, and then helps you to correct your wrong moves with step-by-step guides. For speed cubers, no more nagging friends into scrambling for you. X-Mars Cube has an auto-scrambling function. You don't need to record your solving speed on your own either.